Here in Bridgend in South Wales, we have pioneering potential to develop local energy. We could be leading the world in our borough for a low carbon future, which is really crucial for our children and our grandchildren, because it's not just about environmental protection, it's about developing local jobs, bringing resilience and regeneration to a community.
In response to climate change, Welsh legislation has given us the mandate to manage our natural resources sustainably. Renewable energy is a big part of managing our natural resources, and today we're going to hear from private, public and charitable organisations on how they see and how they want to contribute to producing community and local energy.
The direct beneficiaries of doing this will be those people that live in the community here.
There's the potential of taking the water out of the mines through a heat exchanger and then a heat pump, and then putting the water around the system at a high temperature.
A hybrid heat pump where gas can still be used is definitely something they're looking at.
Building on our previous work, Sustainable Wales is now looking forward to helping ensure that Bridgend can maximise on the opportunities that are presented with us with the low carbon revolution at the moment.
Because of all the work that Bridgend are doing and the heat energy systems work with Bridgend, Newcastle and Manchester, one of the big pulls for us was being in Bridgend because of that and all the innovation that Bridgend Council is doing.
The Energy Local model provides an excellent way to use existing renewable energy generation in Bridgend to address fuel poverty and maximise the benefits to communities through lower bills and reinvestment in the community.
The expertise that we brought to the group was around community ownership and looking at different models for taking projects forward.
What I'm going to talk to you about is the Bridgend Town Heat Network, and that's part of a wider low carbon energy strategy which you've heard a little bit about.
Here in this community, we could become the direct beneficiaries of the benefits that occur.
It's not a question of how, but when business as usual won't work anymore.